Hi everyone, we need a utility knife, a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to assemble the chair. Let's cut the straps open with a knife. Open the box carefully, don't cut the cushion with a knife. Take the parts out of the box and lay them out in front of you. Find a manual. Review the manual. First, we assemble the legs by installing the tubes, after that the cushion, and at the end the backrest. Locate the front of the cushion. Remove the hardware under the cushion. Short bolts are for the backrest, and the long bolt are for the cushion. We are going to use them first. Slide the tubes over the leg to connect both sides. Grab the cushion. Make sure you install the cushion in the correct position. Arrow pointing forward. Get the 4 longer screws and install them first by hand. Make sure they thread properly before using a tool. Once you get the screws started, use the tool to tighten them down. Once tightened the 4 screws for the cushion, flip the chair over to install the backrest. You will need the 4 shorter screws and install them first by hand. Make sure they thread properly before using a tool. The backrest is more tricky. Make sure you take your time. Once you get the screws started, use the tool to tighten them down. At the end, check that all the screws are tight. That's it, you successfully assembled this chair. High five!